Once upon a time, in a meadow full of wildflowers, there lived a little rabbit named Rosie. Rosie was the tiniest rabbit in the meadow, with soft, fluffy fur and big, curious eyes.
While the other rabbits hopped around playing games, Rosie had a secret love. She adored watching the stars.
Every evening, when the sky turned dark, Rosie would sneak away from her burrow and find the perfect spot in the meadow to look up at the twinkling night sky. She imagined all sorts of stories about the stars, believing they were magical creatures dancing in the sky.
One night, as Rosie sat gazing up at the stars, she noticed something strange. A star was twinkling much brighter than the others. "I've never seen that before," Rosie whispered. Curious, she hopped closer to the edge of the meadow to get a better look. The star seemed to be moving, coming closer and closer. Suddenly, with a gentle swoosh, a small glowing creature landed softly in front of her.
It was a little star, with tiny wings and a glowing smile. "Hello, Rosie," said the star, its voice soft and friendly. "I've seen you watching us every night, and I thought I'd come say hello."
Rosie's eyes widened in wonder.
"You're a real star," the star giggled. "Yes, and I wanted to thank you for keeping us company. How about we take a little adventure together?"
With that, the star lifted Rosie into the sky, and together they soared over the meadow, weaving through the stars. Rosie felt like she was in a dream, floating among the sparkling lights. When they returned, Rosie's heart was full of joy. From that night on, she knew that even the tiniest creatures could have the biggest dreams, and sometimes those dreams could come true.